What is an ICO? Hello all aspiring cryptocurrency lovers, look no further for those of you who are confused about what ICO is. In this video, you'll find the answer to all of your questions concerning the ICO, its usage, work, and benefits. But before watching the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's go! ICO is an abbreviation whose full form is Initial Coin Offering, which is how funds are raised for new cryptocurrency offerings. ICOs are another form of cryptocurrency that businesses use to raise capital for their profits. An initial coin offering can be a source of funding for a fledgling company. Startups can use ICOs to get around rules that prevent them from seeking funding from the general public. ICO is similar to an IPO, which is Initial Public Offering. How does it work? An ICO, a certain amount of cryptocurrency is sold to speculators or investors in tokens in return for legal tender or other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. History of ICO. ICOs and token sales became trending in 2017. There were a lot of websites tracking ICOs before mid-year. By the end of 2017, ICOs had raised almost 40 times as much capital as in 2016. They raised funds exponentially. Stunning, right? Advantages of ICO. ICO has some wonderful benefits. Let's find out all about them. Firstly, there are brilliant ways to invest or save and secure your cryptocurrencies. Also, anyone can buy tokens, so can you. Tokens can be sold globally, so don't worry about your location. You can use ICO tokens to enjoy the newly developed services. Now the best part is it is possible to get rich returns. Disadvantages of ICO. ICOs are utilized for lawful purposes such as corporate finance and philanthropic fundraising, even though they can be exploited for fraud. Many ICOs have a poor success rate. Also, tokens will lose value and become worthless if the ICO project fails. Moreover, there is a high chance of potential scams. There is no denying that initial coin offerings offer both investors and businesses numerous advantages. This is a convenient way to get compensated to provide investors with exclusive privileges. However, before investing in an ICO, follow these easy steps to ensure your profit. Conduct a thorough study and analysis to make sure you don't make a mistake. Also, conduct a thorough investigations on the company's history, past performance, and other factors. You can earn a good return on your ICO investment if you solve all of these problems. So that's all for today's video. What do you think about the ICO and its use? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section. Until the next video, stay tuned and don't forget to smash the subscribe button to never miss out on more videos we post. See you soon!